the first step of the Europe Cup that the Outdoormix is creating with Italia, King of the Alps, and the Czech from David Race. I'm speaking about kayak right now. We are very proud of this, that we are getting more and more influenceable on the market of the kayak stream, which is actually our first holding sport.
You ain't got no money, I ain't got no time. All these faces looking funny when I'm driving by. Headed to my whip, my name is Buzz. You know they plan on killing mine. Name it at your temple, we was taught to kill a nigga mind. Genocide, buried in the tide, cleansing in the sand. Blood is sitting in my hands, I'll never be the bigger man. I know they'll never understand, but I don't give a fuck. Lift your hands up high before I stick you up. Yeah.
You were floating. Told me you're afraid of disappointing. Pushing on your physical existence. Pushing only cause you felt resistance. Can't help but think about the situation. Trying to get to sleep but my mind's racing. Only got each other we can turn to. Lying here I know they'll never break you, break.
You and me, nobody else. If it can't be that way, then I just be all by myself. I love the way you stay away from me, you make me melt. Those nights you used to come and stay with me, replaying in my memory. It's no such thing as meant to be, that's fine, cause you so fine. The way you walk and talk, the way you leave your mark, just can't break you from my thoughts. Walking through them on the park, like they wasn't trying to shoot me up. Doing all we did, we still ain't doing enough. Yeah.
Leaving through the night and starting fire. Moving to society's desire. Smoking retribution, keep it burning. Only cause of sorrow are we learning. Can't help but think about the situation. Trying to get to sleep but my mind's racing. Only got each other we can turn to. Lying here I know they'll never break you, break.
I ain't scared of 6 feet, cause I ain't scared to be free. All I seen while on this earth, know that hurts can't be too worse. Tell the woman that I hurt, I apologize for all my lies. And tell my mama blame my karma, hey she had to see me die. I just wanna see the sky shining from the other side.